Maintaining good liver health is important for people of all ages, but it becomes increasingly important as we get older. The liver is responsible for detoxifying our bodies, producing bile to aid in digestion, and storing vitamins and minerals. As we age, our liver's ability to function efficiently may decline, making it more vulnerable to damage. One way to support liver health is through dietary choices. While there are many foods that can promote liver health, there are also some foods that may be harmful, especially for those over 50. Here are the top worst foods for liver health after 50. Fried foods. Fried foods are often high in trans fats and unhealthy oils that can be difficult for the liver to process. These foods are also typically high in calories, salt, and sugar, all of which can contribute to liver damage. Processed foods, such as frozen dinners, canned foods, and snack foods, are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods can contribute to liver damage over time, especially if they are consumed regularly. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the leading causes of liver damage. Alcohol is processed by the liver, and heavy drinking can cause inflammation and scarring in the liver, leading to conditions such as cirrhosis. Sugar. Diets high in sugar have been linked to liver damage, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Consuming too much sugar can cause insulin resistance, which can lead to inflammation and damage in the liver. Salt. Consuming too much salt can lead to high blood pressure and water retention, both of which can be damaging to the liver. Processed foods are often high in salt, so it's important to read labels and choose low-sodium options whenever possible. Trans fats. Trans fats are unhealthy fats that are often found in processed foods, fried foods, and baked goods. These fats can increase inflammation in the liver and contribute to the development of fatty liver disease. Junk food, such as fast food and convenience store snacks, are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These foods can contribute to liver damage over time, especially if they are consumed regularly. By avoiding these worst foods for liver health after 50, you can help support your liver and maintain good overall health. Instead, focus on consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Drinking plenty of water, staying active, and limiting alcohol consumption can also help support liver health.